Orange County, California, prospective homebuyers are met with a plethora of options from renowned home building companies, each offering unique qualities and catered experiences. From luxury estates to affordable family homes, these buildings shape the landscape of Orange County's real estate market, reflecting the diverse tastes and lifestyles of its residents. Understanding the distinctions between these companies is an essential way for homebuyers seeking to make informed decisions about their future homes, ensuring that they find the perfect match for their needs and preferences. So for this video, we're going to start off with the Toll Brothers. The Toll Brothers is renowned for its commitment to luxury home building, catering to affluent buyers seeking upscale living experiences. With a history spanning several decades, the Toll Brothers have established itself as a leader in the luxury home market, known for its impeccable craftsmanship, attention to detail, and sophisticated architectural designs. Their homes often feature high-end finishes, top-of-the-line appliances, and expansive living spaces, reflecting a blend of timeless elegance and modern amenities. The Toll Brothers communities are carefully planned and situated in desirable locations, offering residents access to premium amenities such as golf courses, clubhouses, and resort-style pools. The company prides itself on delivering an exceptional customer experience, from the initial consultation to post-move-in support, ensuring that each homeowner's vision is visualized with precision and care. And the second on the list, we have Lennar. Lennar is one of the nation's largest home builders with a reputation for providing quality homes across a broad spectrum of price points and lifestyles. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, Lennar offers a wide range of home designs, from affordable starter homes to spacious luxury residence and active adult communities. Their signature "everything's included" approach ensures that buyers receive a comprehensive package of standard features and upgrades. Simplifying the home buying process and offering exceptional value, Lennar communities are thoughtfully planned, often incorporating amenities such as parks, trails, and recreational centers to enhance residents' quality of life. The company is committed to sustainability and energy efficiency, integrating eco-friendly features into their homes to reduce environmental impact and lower utility costs for homeowners. And number 3 on the list, we have Shea Homes. Shea Homes has been a trusted name in home building for over a century, known for its commitment to quality craftsmanship, innovative design, and customer satisfaction. With a diverse portfolio of communities across the country, Shea Homes offers homes tailored to a wide range of lifestyles and preferences, from urban townhomes to suburban single-family residences and resort-style active adult communities. Their homes are characterized by thoughtful design, flexible floor plans, and high-quality materials, reflecting a blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Shea Homes communities often feature amenities such as parks, pools, and social spaces, fostering a sense of community and connection among residents. The company is dedicated to providing an exceptional home buying experience with personalized service and ongoing support to ensure that each homeowner's needs are met with care and attention to detail. And number 4 on the list, we have KB Home. KB Home is a leading national home builder known for its commitment to affordability, sustainability, and customer satisfaction as well. With a focus on innovation and customization, KB Home offers a wide range of floor plans and design options to suit the diverse needs and preferences of home buyers. KB Home communities are strategically located in desirable neighborhoods, often featuring amenities such as parks, trails, and community centers to enhance residents' quality of life. The company is dedicated to sustainability, incorporating energy-efficient features and sustainable building practices into their homes to minimize environmental impact and help homeowners save on utility costs. And number 5 on the list, we have Taylor Morrison. Taylor Morrison is a leading national home builder known for its commitment to quality construction, innovative design, and a customer-centric approach. With a focus on creating homes that inspire and delight, Taylor Morrison offers a diverse range of floor plans as well and design options to suit the needs and preferences of modern home buyers. Their homes are characterized by thoughtful design, functional layouts, and high-quality finishes. Reflecting a blend of comfort, style, and livability, Taylor Morrison communities are carefully planned and situated in desirable locations, often featuring amenities such as parks, pools, and recreational centers as well to enhance residents' lifestyles. The company is dedicated to providing an exceptional home buying experience with personalized service, transparent communication, and ongoing support to ensure that each homeowner's journey is smooth and stress-free. In conclusion for this video, which I've talked among the 5 companies, as the demand for new construction homes continue to grow in Orange County, the offerings from top home building companies provide a wide array of choices for discerning buyers. Whether one seeks luxury, affordability, sustainability, or customization, there is a builder to meet every preference and lifestyle. By carefully considering the unique qualities and characteristics of each company, home buyers can embark their journey with confidence and knowing that they are selecting a builder committed to excellence, quality, and customer satisfaction. And that's what I have for you guys today in this video. I hope you guys do like this video, and it would mean so much to me if you smash that like button down below. And if you have any thoughts or comments about these companies, or you want to learn more about these companies, send me a message via email, phone number, or just anything that you feel comfortable with. And I just want to educate you and help make you the smooth decision before moving to Orange County, or think about moving in with one of the home builders. Get contacted with me and do not hesitate, because I'm here to make your transaction a lot more smoother and more safer and secured as well. And as being your Orange County real estate agent, I'm here to make your life a lot more easier when it comes to moving. So that's it for you guys today in this video. I hope you guys learned something about these companies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.